Hello everyone, Zare from Go here. Today I'll be covering how to install the gravity bead tank dispenser onto our Graco LineLazer 3900 and all the components needed, all the parts and all the tools needed to assemble this gear. So the gravity bead system is a two-component system. There is the dispenser kit and the bead kit. In the dispenser kit, there's many different variations of sizes. There's the 6-inch version, which we have here. There's also a 12-inch version. So if you're in Australia, it's 152 mil for the 6-inch and 305 mil for the 12-inch. You also have the bead hose here. There's different versions where you can get two, but in this kit in particular, there's only one. There's a 6-inch wind deflector. So this will sit in front of the dispenser and redirect the beads as it's coming out. There's also the brackets to secure the hose onto its mount, and manuals, of course, to show you the different parts. So this is the gravity bead kit. You've got the hopper here. The capacity of the hopper is 45 liters. So you can add in 45 liters worth of bead. You've got the mount to rest the hopper into as well. It's secured on 2 stands that mount onto your actual LineLazer itself. And of course, some nuts and bolts and clamps to keep everything secure. The gravity fed bead system is compatible with the LineLazer 4 and 5 series, which include the 5900, the 200HS, the 130HS, also the ES1000 as well for the electric LineLazer units, and the 3900. Which we're going to rig onto ours right now. We're going to show you the process and the tools needed and everything like that. So we have our Graco LineLazer 3900 here that we're going to rig the gravity fed bead system onto. We got our tools here. So we got a 14 mil torque wrench and we have a 15 mil wrench. First things first is we're going to attach the legs and then the mount bracket, which the hopper is going to sit into. Then, of course, the hose that connects into the bead system here on the side. And there you have it, it's all put together. So using the large bolts, we've connected the legs. It's connected up to the mount up top, which the hopper sits on. We've connected our hose and our dispenser here, which rigs into the gun. It also connects to the trigger through this point here. And yeah, it can be a bit tricky adding in the hose, but use a bit of elbow grease and you'll be fine. So a quick run through how this thing operates. You put the beads through the top, through the gravity fed, and with gravity, it goes down the bead hose. And since it's connected to the gun trigger, when you pull the gun trigger, it will drop through the bottom here. Now you're probably wondering why this hose might be a bit too long. It's mainly because this connects to the gun mounted at the back. So if you were to slot it in through the back control, then that's why you need the extra length. There are shorter alternatives if preferred, which works out best if you got it rigged in the front, like here. All right, so all part numbers are listed in the description down below. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Go Industrial.